Ever wondered who ensures the safety and quality of construction projects? The answer is a crucial figure known as a special inspector. The special inspector is a professional who inspects and verifies specific elements of construction projects, ensuring everything aligns with building codes, regulations, and approved construction documents. This role is pivotal in upholding safety standards and the quality of construction work. One of the key aspects of a special inspector's job is their responsibilities. They focus on specialized areas such as structural integrity, welding, concrete, soil testing, fireproofing, and much more. Their job is to meticulously inspect and test materials, workmanship, and installations to ensure they meet the specified standards. Despite their role, special inspectors do not have direct authority over the entire construction team. Their primary function is to monitor and report on specific aspects of the project. The danger level associated with this job can vary greatly, depending on the specific area of specialization. For instance, inspecting structural elements may involve working at heights or in confined spaces. But fear not, with the right safety protocols and equipment, the job is generally considered safe. Reporting is a critical part of a special inspector's role. They typically report to the local building department or the relevant regulatory authority. They submit reports on their findings and may communicate with the project engineer or architect to address any issues or non-compliance. Licensing requirements for special inspectors vary by jurisdiction. In many places, they need to be certified or licensed in their specific area of expertise. This can involve passing exams, demonstrating experience, and meeting education requirements. The path to becoming a special inspector often involves a combination of education and work experience. Many individuals in this role have a background in engineering, construction management, or a related field. The time it takes to become a special inspector varies, but it typically requires several years of relevant experience and the necessary certifications. Remember, the specifics of the role, licensing requirements, and the process to become a special inspector can vary by location. So it's always a good idea to check with the local building department or regulatory agency for the most accurate and up-to-date information in your specific area. In conclusion, the special inspector plays a pivotal role in construction projects. They are the ones who ensure the safety and quality of the work, and their expertise is crucial to the success of any construction project. Their work is specialized, detailed, and incredibly important. So next time you see a building standing tall and sturdy, remember the special inspector who contributed to its safety and quality.